How do you fix Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 is crashing on Steam? First, you will need to right-click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now in the launch options, you want to add -DX11 and then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your browser and go to this link here, which is going to be in the description. And from this table, the second one, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them for the redistributables, which will ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, you will need to open up your NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or you can use the AMD software if you're running AMD, and make sure to get the latest driver update for your GPU. And once you've installed it, you will need to open up Steam as admin. Just right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.